Borders may divide nations and politics may stir tensions, but the hearts of ordinary people often tell a different story. In this video, we'll look at countries where political conflict exists, yet the people share deep cultural ties, mutual respect, and even love across the divide. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.